Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we're going to be turning a piece of ash and adding a bit of Burny Burny to it. So we're starting with the mid-size finisher here from Easy Wood Tools, and we're going to start by turning it to shape. So we're going to start off with what is the bottom of the bowl, and we're going to start by taking the bark off, and we are going to work our way around. Yeah, gradually getting the shape, making sure to leave a bit of a foot on there, which will eventually be the tenon, so we can hold it in the chuck. There we go, there's a mid-size rougher, just flattening the bottom off. And mid-size detailer, just to match the angles of the jaws of the chuck. There we go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding here, so we're just going to sand to 240 grit here with clean spore abrasives. Camera doesn't seem to like this view very much. Bit of compressed there. And some Burny Burny as promised. There we go. Alright, bit of 400 grit here just to take out any soot and raised grain. Bit more compressed there. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean the grain.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around.
Alright, so now we're going to get to the top or the inside. And we are going to start off with the #1 hollower from Easy Wood Tools. Just starting off by flattening the top there. And now we're going to start hollowing. I wanted to go fairly thin with this one because this piece of wood was quite wet. As you can see, it's shaking around already as it was drying out. taking a bit off of the rim there. And doing a few final passes with the mid-size finisher. And there we go. Checking the wall thickness there with the hand calipers. And move the tool rest. And back to sanding. So we've already done most of it, so we're just going to go to 240 grit here. There we go. Bit of compress there. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean the grain. And finally some Hampshire sheen Danish oil. There will be some pictures at the end. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. And until next week's video, I shall see you then. Bye bye for now.